Good morning, student. Today we will start our new chapter, Matter and its Composition. In this chapter, in this chapter we study about matter and its composition. First of all, definition. What is a matter? So, everything in this universe is made up of matter. So, if we define the matter, a matter is defined as a substance that has mass, occupies volume and space. Or, in other words, we can say that objects that take up space and have mass are called matter. But example, pen, pencil, mobile phone, book, human being, everything around us that occupy volume or mass, that is called matter. But in exception case, the phenomena like light, electricity, sound, magnetism, vacuum, shadow, all these are what? All these are not considered as matter because they have no matter. Because though they have no mass and do not take up space. Okay? क्योंकि उन सारी चीज़ों में मास नहीं होता है और वो स्पेस नहीं लेती हैं. Okay? Now, our second topic is types of matter. So what are the types of matter? Matter can be classified in two ways. First, on the basis of physical state or on the basis of chemical property. So, what are the physical properties and what are the chemical properties? So, physical property. In the physical property, we study about size of matter, density of matter, mass of matter. So, what we learn in the physical property of matter. Physical property is what? We measure to describe matter without changing the object. Don't forget it. Physical property of matter, we measure to describe matter without changing the object. Okay, like size, density, mass, freezing point, boiling point, viscosity, volume, color, flexibility, etc. Or what we learn in chemical property? Chemical property that are observed during the chemical reaction of matter. Example, oxidation state, toxicity, reactivity, radioactivity, chemical stability, etc. Okay. Now come to the third property, characteristic of particles of matter. Characteristic of particles of matter. What we learn here? The particle of matter are very small. Look at the diagram here. Different particles are there in the matter. Second property or second characteristic of matter, the particles in matter have space between them. Look at the diagram here. There are space between the particles. What is that space? Intermolecular space. What we call that space? Intermolecular space. The third point, the particle in the matter attract each other. Look at the diagram here. The particles of matter attract each other, and what we call that attraction? Intermolecular force of attraction. Now come to the fourth point. Particles in the matter are moving in nature. Okay, so all the particle of the matter are always in moving state. Okay, so why this movement take place? This movement is what? Brownish movement. The continuous zigzag movement of tiny particle. Okay, The continuous zigzag movement of tiny dust particles suspended in a fluid result from their collision by the fast moving particles of fluid. So what is Browning particle? In other word we can say that कि जो मैटर के छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल है when this particles kept in any fluid, what happened? That move very fast. Why that move very fast? Due to collision. Okay, so this zigzag movement of the particle in any matter is called Browning's movement. Example, we take one example also. When pollen grain are kept in water, they start moving. Why they start moving? When that pollen grain come in the contact or kept in water, they start moving due to collision. And what happen when the temperature of water increase? The movement of pollen grain also increases. And when the temperature of water decrease, the movement of pollen grain also decrease. And this movement is called Browning movement. Okay. With the help of this small explanation of matter, definition of matter, types of matter, properties of matter and characteristic of matter and Browning movement, please solve some question. First question, define matter. Second question, types of matter. Write the types of matter. Third question, characteristic of matter. And fourth, define the phenomena of Browning movement. Okay, thank you.